Let me quickly show you how to use Gemini AI for YouTube ideas. If you're running out of video ideas, Gemini AI can be a great tool to generate endless YouTube content ideas. If you want general ideas on what topics that you can create content about, you can give in a prompt something like this and then add in your general niche. This way, it's going to scrape ideas off of the internet so that you can get the ideas that are worthy for your channel. Other than this, what you can also do is first of all give in details about what your channel exactly does. For example, if you are a travel content creator, you can add in the details about yourself and the type of content that you normally do. This way the AI can provide you content in much more details. Now, if you're going for something that is currently trending on YouTube or in social media in general, you can add in this prompt so that you can create ideas that can generate a lot of views just because they are trending right now. Lastly, you can also use it to generate titles and hooks. So that's all there is for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you and you were able to generate some content ideas that are useful for your channel. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.